It already sounds good, man. From the startup, I had a big old smile. Let's see what it sounds like. So today we're gonna be reviewing this muffler. It's off of Amazon. I put it on my 9th gen Civic Si, and let's get right into it. This is what it sounds like when you put it on. Looks like we're good right here. Alright, let's go. Oh, that sounds so good. For you guys that are wondering, is it gonna give me a check engine light? No, it won't. And you could also pass smog. Let's say you wanted to make it a little louder. So this is what it would sound like if you were to take off the resonator. That shit's out. To me, it sounds a little raspy. So I actually ended up putting the resonator back on. For a future video, I would also like to review this resonator on Amazon, pairing it with the muffler that I have on right now. Got the resonator right here, so this is gonna be tomorrow's video. So hopefully it gets rid of the rasp while keeping that nice deep tone. That's gonna be right on this baby tomorrow. If it sounds the way it sounds right now, but louder, that'd be a really good setup. So I think that pretty much covers everything. And with that being said, have a good one.